Hello everyone, we are learning about Google Docs and in our last video we learned about page setup option and language setting option. Now in this video we are going to learn about some formatting things in our video. So first thing is what is formatting. So formatting is that you are writing in your doc or in your what we can say in slide or in presentation, and now you want to create some different transition, not transitions, but you need to change the angle of your written word or anything, so that thing we can do in our formatting option. So we not waste much more time, and let's start with our formatting options. Okay, so the first thing for formatting option we need to do is, as you can see here, format option. Just click on that option, and here are so many options. In this text option you have the options like bold, italic, underline, which we learned already over this section. Then align and indent section, to shift the words we have written to the left side, center side, top, middle, bottom. We have discussed this over here. Then bullets and numbering option, which are also here now, but we need some border and lines option. If you want to add some border color, border weight, border type, so this border and lines option is for you. So as you can see, we can select whatever border color we want. It's orange color now, right? Then again formatting, border and in border type, single border, double border. So let's click on double border, and you can see it's doubled. So that's how in this border and line option of formatting section you can add. Then last option is border decoration. You can decorate your border, you can give it the shape whatever you want: meter joint, pivotal bevel joint, butt cap, round cap. Let's select this round cap, and that's how. Let's select for this border and lines, border decoration, butt cap. Yeah, it's looking good, right? Select format, border and lines. Okay, border decoration, and let's select this one. Is it changing or not? I am unable to see any changes. Let's try one more time. Square cap. Yeah, it's working. So that's how this formatting option helps you. Now the last option in this format section is format option itself. When you click on this format option, you can see so many sub options here, like reflection, drop shadow, text fitting, position, size and rotation. So let's learn these all format options one by one. So size and rotation option. So when we clicked on this, it shows the size we want for that selected content. Okay, we have selected this one, so it's showing its width is 5.33. so with these arrows you can increase it or decrease it. Okay, again with the same thing with the height, you can decrease it, you can increase it. And as I am clicking here, you can see the changes are ongoing here. You can also change the width scale. See, as I am increasing, the width is increasing. As I am clicking on this down arrow, the width is actual decreasing. Then you can increase the height scale how much height you want. You can also decrease this thing. Okay, now if you want to rotate this thing, let's assume that you have this blank page. Let's add a blank page. Yeah, array no, we have to choose blank layout. To delete that, you just need to select backspace key. Okay, let's assume we have this blank space option, and here is something like Let's type something over here. For that we will need a proper layout. Let's select this one. I have written this. I don't need this one, so I have just put it black space. Okay, I just don't need it, so blank space. Now I have selected this one, and whatever I have written this gibberish, I want it in different rotation angle. So this rotate option is for you. You can add whatever angle you want, and as you can see it's rotating, right? You can also flip this thing from here to there, from up to down, from 90. So this rotation helps you to give, actually this is very useful, as you can use it to give a modern look and proper decorative look to your presentation. So yeah, this is for you if you want to give a decorative look. Then here is a position option, top left, center, and here is a distance, that how many distance you want. See, it's moving. So this is basically for this scale over here for margin. Then here is a text fitting option. In this text fitting option you can increase, and it's moving right to the left side. I have clicked on the left side, that's why. If I click on the right side, it moves on the right direction. You can select first line, hanging, second line option here. You can also auto fit, that it will automatically get fitted to that box by itself. Okay. Then resize shape, you can resize shape to fit text. You can also click on do not auto fit, shrink text to overflow. So yeah, this thing is useful. Then drop shadow option. If you have to create some amazing looks in your presentation, then you can create shadow of the word, selected word, or this. Let's select this word. And also you can change the first, just now see, here is no shadow right now. Okay, as soon as I click here on this right and increase the transparency, shadow is increasing. See, you can see the changes over here. You can change the color. Let's make it to the purple. I think this will help us. No, purple is not helping. Let's select this black one. See, transparency, 100% transparency, so you can make it as you want. Then angles, you can see the angles are changing. Distance, so basically you can increase the distance and decrease the distance of the shadow. See, now here is this India, and at this background shadow India, but I don't, you can change the angle of that by this thing, transparency. If I clicked on it, it is not looking. So that's how you let's increase radius. For next option, blur radius. If you want it blur, then you can do it blur, and yeah, it's gone. So that's how this drop shadow option helps you to create a shadow whatever you have written or inserted image or anything. Then the last option is reflection option. Again, it shows the reflection. Let's increase the distance. Sorry. Yeah, it's showing reflection at the bottom, as you can see here. If we increase distance, these borders are going down, 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 right? If we decrease, it's going up. You can increase the size. See, the size is increasing, and again you can see the inverted India over here. That's because it is a reflected version. So this is help. So it is helpful to give some water transition effect if you are doing something bird, adding water bird or anything. So that's how this formatting works. I hope you got to learn a new different thing with this video. So thank you for watching this video. In our next section we are going to learn about all the inserting options. So stay tuned and and please do learning. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.